Like the talk show format, even. Where does that come from? Why is there a desk and a chair? In what situation in real life did they get that set up from? When they did the first talk show, oh yeah, you go behind a desk and have a microphone and then you sit in a chair opposite. The first guy to do that, where did he get that from? Where does that exist in nature? Right? It's very strange. The format is very strange. Someone just said, slow down, bro. See, this is the same thing. That's a similar thing like, do you have to do social media? You guys are my friends. This is my friends. This is me hanging out with my friends. You wouldn't tell someone, slow down with your friends. I'm not saying that you're saying that in a horrible way.